How to fix low sound in YouTube. Now, in order to fix low sound in YouTube, if there is no other problem in your sound device, you have to open the video that you want to play or you are playing, and after that tap to this gear button into the top right corner. You will see the option of more. Tap to more from here, and if you see this option of stable sound, simply open it or enable it and your sound would be pretty good. Now if this doesn't work, try to go to these settings again and you will see the option of audio track. If this is available, it's not available in every single video, but if this is available, tap to audio track and you will see all of the audio track available. Just simply select different audio tracks that you can understand and sound might work normally. This way you can fix the sound low in YouTube. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe